Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, October 12th, and we're going to take a look at, once again, talking about compression and expansion in the markets. I just want to show you an example of a trade that we had yesterday and into today that worked out really well, or at least fairly well, and that was in platinum. So just like we talked about yesterday, a market will run and then compress and then expand and then compress. It doesn't typically just run straight up or straight down. And when a market is exiting from one of these compression zones, that gives us an opportunity to trade and look for it to run in our direction. Well, we had the long, we took a long, ended up taking a long here in platinum yesterday, going into the close, and we ended up allowing this to climb all the way up and took profits earlier this morning before we had this retracement here. But what we were looking at was platinum had rallied, it had then compressed, all right, and then we came down here, we put in a higher pivot low, bounced up, broke through the highs, and retraced a little bit, and we bought it on that retracement and allowed it to run overnight. And we only had about $150 per contract risk on it. Ended up taking out about $200 per contract, so a little bit over a 1-to-1 reward risk ratio. But as a whole, it was a high probability trade because of the setup leading into it, and all of that is based on price action. Now, the other thing we were looking at was correlated markets, which we do a lot of correlated market analysis where we take a look at what similar markets are doing, and we look for a lagging market to catch up. And if you look at how platinum behaved yesterday compared to how gold and silver did, gold and silver jumped quite a bit after the FOMC minutes announcement. Platinum barely rallied at all. So we expected platinum to go up and catch up to, so to speak, gold and silver because they're correlated, and ended up doing just that. Platinum rallied up very nicely and caught up to the others. So ended up working out great. That's all I have for you for today, though. So keep an eye out on correlated markets and keep an eye out on, again, compressing and expanding markets, because these compression periods lead into expansion periods, which we want to be trading when the market's expanding, because that's where you make the money. So that's all I have for you for today. I hope it helps. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. We do new educational videos every single day. So that's it for today. And until next time, happy trading.